First impressions matter, and nothing sets the tone for a luxurious home like a grand entrance. Think oversized, statement door designs with intricate carvings or high-gloss finishes. Complement this with elegant lighting fixtures, such as chandeliers or statement pendant lights. For bedrooms, luxury decor revolves around comfort and elegance. Invest in a large, plush bed with a tufted headboard in velvet or silk. Use high thread count linens and layer with decorative cushions and throws. Incorporate ambient lighting with bedside lamps or wall sconces in gold or brass. Elegant drapes in luxurious fabrics like silk or velvet can frame the windows beautifully, creating a cozy yet lavish atmosphere. Lighting plays a crucial role in creating a luxurious ambience. Use layered lighting schemes, ambient, task, and accent lighting to highlight architectural features and decor elements. Chandeliers, pendant lights, and wall sconces in gold or crystal finishes can serve as eye-catching focal points. Dimmers are essential to adjust the mood according to the occasion. Finally, don't forget the importance of greenery and natural elements. Indoor plants in designer pots or floral arrangements in crystal vases can soften the luxurious decor and add a touch of freshness. Integrate natural materials like wood, stone, and leather to balance the opulence with warmth and comfort. First impressions matter, and nothing sets the tone for a luxurious home like a grand entrance. Think oversized, statement door designs with intricate carvings or high-gloss finishes. Complement this with elegant lighting fixtures, such as chandeliers or statement pendant lights, that add a touch of glamour as soon as guests step inside. Incorporate rich textures like marble flooring or high-quality wood to enhance the opulence right at the doorstep. Moving inside, the living room is the heart of luxury decor. Opt for plush, oversized sofas in velvet or silk fabrics, paired with gold or brass accents in coffee tables and side lamps. Incorporate textured wallpapers or fine wall paneling to add depth. Large, framed artwork or sculptures can serve as focal points, creating a gallery-like ambience. Use layered lighting with dimmable chandeliers and accent lights to set the perfect mood. In the dining area, luxury is all about fine details. A statement dining table crafted from marble or glass with intricate metalwork can become the centerpiece. Elegant, upholstered dining chairs in rich fabrics like brocade or velvet elevate the space. Add crystal chandeliers overhead, and use high-end dinnerware and accessories to complete the look. Remember, the smallest details like decorative trays or floral arrangements can make a big difference. The kitchen, often the heart of the home, can exude luxury through sleek cabinetry with high-gloss finishes, quartz or marble countertops, and state-of-the-art appliances. Incorporate under-cabinet lighting and modern fixtures to add a contemporary touch. Open shelving with curated decor items, like designer crockery or ornamental plants, can add personality and style to this functional space. Thank you for joining us on this journey through luxury house interior decor ideas. Remember, creating an elegant home is about combining quality, design, and personal style. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe to Sari 11 Craft and Decor Inspiration Hub, and turn on notifications for more inspiring content. Stay luxurious, and see you next time.